Gather round, travel enthusiasts, and welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Today we're setting our sights on the vibrant land of Mexico, renowned for its rich culture, tantalizing cuisine, and of course, its epic surf spots. We'll be diving into the top 8 surf destinations, including Sayulita, Todos Santos, Cabo San Lucas, Puerto Escondido, San Pancho, Mazatlan, Troncones, and Punta Mita. So stay tuned as we embark on this journey of waves and wonder. First on our list is the vibrant town of Sayulita. Nestled on the Pacific coast of Mexico's Nayarit state, Sayulita is a surf lover's paradise. This charming coastal town is not just about the surf, but it's the waves that have put it on the global map. Sayulita's beaches boast an impressive variety of surf breaks, making it an ideal destination for both beginners and seasoned surfers. The main beach provides a gentle, long wave perfect for those just starting out. For the more experienced surfers, the North Point break offers a faster, hollow wave that provides an exhilarating ride. But what makes Sayulita truly stand out is its bohemian spirit. The town is teeming with vibrant, colorful art, bustling markets, and a thriving food scene that brings together flavors from around the world. It's this blend of surf and culture that makes Sayulita a must-visit destination for any surf enthusiast. Sayulita surely sets the bar high for our surfing adventure. Next, we venture to the magical town of Todos Santos. Nestled on the Pacific coast of Baja California Sur, Todos Santos is a jewel of Mexico. This quaint town is known for its vibrant art scene, but it's the surf that truly sets it apart. Imagine riding high on waves that have traveled thousands of miles across the open ocean, arriving in Todos Santos with perfect form. These waves are not just consistent, but they're also diverse. From the long, easy rides at Playa Los Cerritos to the powerful, fast-breaking waves at San Pedrito, there's a wave for every surfer in Todos Santos. But what makes Todos Santos one of the best surf spots is its spirit. The local surf culture is both welcoming and passionate. It's a place where you can find camaraderie in the lineup and feel the pure joy of surfing. Todos Santos is truly a surfer's paradise. Moving on, we land in the luxurious Cabo San Lucas. Nestled at the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, Cabo is a surfer's paradise that combines the thrill of the waves with the opulence of a high-end resort town. Famed for its dramatic rock formations, crystal-clear waters, and abundant marine life, Cabo's surf spots offer an unparalleled experience. Monuments Beach, known for its powerful left-hand break, is a favorite among experienced surfers. Zippers, on the other hand, with its right-hand break, is a hotspot for intermediate riders. But it's not just about the surf. Cabo San Lucas is where the desert meets the sea, creating a unique landscape that's as breathtaking as the waves themselves. After a day riding the swells, you can unwind in one of the many luxurious resorts, dine in world-class restaurants, or explore the vibrant nightlife. Cabo San Lucas, a place where luxury meets the waves. Halfway through our journey, we find ourselves in Puerto Escondido. Nestled on the Pacific coast of Oaxaca, this spot is a surfer's paradise. Puerto Escondido, which translates to hidden port, lives up to its name, offering secluded beaches and world-class surf breaks. The crown jewel of this location is Zicatela Beach, renowned globally for its powerful waves. It's not uncommon to see surfers riding waves that reach up to 30 feet high here. Yes, you heard it right, 30 feet. It's no wonder that this beach is often referred to as the Mexican pipeline. But Puerto Escondido isn't just for the pros. Beginners and intermediate surfers can also find their groove at spots like La Punta and Carrizalillo. These beaches provide smaller, more manageable waves, but still offer the thrill of surfing in the warm, turquoise waters of the Pacific. So, whether you're a seasoned surfer or a newbie, Puerto Escondido has a wave for everyone. Puerto Escondido, a hidden gem for wave riders. Next up, we explore the quaint town of San Pancho. Nestled on the Pacific coast of Mexico's Nayarit state, San Pancho, or San Francisco, is a hidden gem for surf enthusiasts. Unlike its bustling neighbor Sayulita, San Pancho offers a more serene and tranquil surfing experience, making it a haven for those seeking solitude with their surfboards. What sets San Pancho apart is its unique surf spots. The main beach break is perfect for both beginners and experienced surfers. Here, the waves are consistent and can reach impressive heights, particularly during the summer months. But it's not just about the waves. The wide sandy beach, the vibrant local culture, and the stunning sunsets all contribute to the enchanting allure of San Pancho. The town's commitment to sustainable tourism, evident in its eco-friendly accommodations and initiatives, further cements its position as one of the best surf spots in Mexico. So, if you're looking for a quiet surf town with a big heart, San Pancho is your destination. San Pancho, a quiet town with roaring waves. Moving forward, we reach the buzzing city of Mazatlan. Nestled on Mexico's Pacific coast, Mazatlan is a vibrant city that effortlessly merges urban charm with the laid-back vibe of a surfer's paradise. The city's surf spots are as diverse as they are thrilling. From the fast-breaking waves at Playa Los Pinos to the consistent swells at Playa Brujas, Mazatlan offers a thrilling challenge for surfers of every skill level. And then there's Olas Altas, a surfer's dream, where the Pacific's powerful waves meet the golden sands of Mazatlan. But what sets Mazatlan apart is its unique blend of city life and surf culture. Here, you can ride the waves by day and explore the city's rich history, tantalizing cuisine, and pulsating nightlife by night. It's a place where surfboards and skyscrapers share the skyline and where the surf is always up. Mazatlan, where city life and surfing coexist. Next, we set foot in the serene village of Troncones. Nestled in the heart of Mexico's Pacific coast, Troncones is a hidden gem that's a feast for the senses. Its surf spots are as unique as they are thrilling, with their powerful waves and stunning vistas that can take your breath away. What sets Troncones apart is its quiet charm and laid-back vibe. It's less crowded than other popular surf spots, making it an ideal retreat for those who prefer a more peaceful surf experience. Here, it's just you, the waves, and the expansive ocean. The surf spots in Troncones are known for their consistent year-round surf, making it a reliable destination for surfers of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, Troncones offers a surf experience like no other. And let's not forget the local community, whose warm hospitality and rich culture add to the charm of this idyllic surf haven. Troncones, a peaceful haven for surfers. Finally, we arrive at the luxurious Punta Mita. Nestled on the Pacific coast in the state of Nayarit, Punta Mita is a slice of paradise, offering an exquisite blend of high-end luxury and world-class surfing. Its warm turquoise waters are home to consistent swells, making it a go-to destination for surfers of all levels. The surf spots here are unique, with the most renowned being La Lancha and El Anclote. La Lancha, a right-hand point break, offers long, mellow rides, while El Anclote, with its gentle, rolling waves, is perfect for beginners and longboarders. But Punta Mita isn't just about the waves, it's about the experience. The lavish resorts, gourmet dining, and pristine beaches elevate the surfing adventure to a whole new level. It's a place where you can ride the waves in the morning and indulge in a spa treatment in the afternoon. Punta Mita, where luxury and surfing blend seamlessly. And that concludes our tour of the best surf spots in Mexico. We've journeyed through the charming bohemian streets of Sayulita, where the Pacific Ocean greets surfers with warm, welcoming waves. We've ventured to Todos Santos, a hidden gem boasting a perfect blend of small-town charm and world-class surf. We've immersed ourselves in the luxury of Cabo San Lucas, where the surf is as impressive as the opulent resorts that line its shores. We've journeyed to Puerto Escondido, where the Mexican pipeline's fierce waves challenge even the most seasoned surfers. Our voyage took us to San Pancho, where serene beaches and consistent swells offer a peaceful surf haven. We've explored Mazatlan, where the swells are as inviting as the city's vibrant culture. We've discovered Troncones, a tranquil paradise where the surf beckons with its rhythmic pulse. And lastly, we've marveled at Punta Mita, where the surf is as breathtaking as the peninsula's stunning beauty. Each of these places offers a unique surfing experience that is as distinct as the towns themselves. They're waiting for your boards, your adventurous spirit, and your love for the ride. So pack your bags, grab your surfboards, and set your sights on these incredible Mexican surf spots. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on our social media accounts, and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.